When you're thinking about JennAir, especially as a designer, forget everything you knew about JennAir. It's totally different now. It's luxe, the technology is on point, it's well crafted, it's beautifully designed, and I mean, if appliance can be badass, these are pretty badass appliances. So this is something we've actually been telling clients for years. Mix your metals. Everyone thinks you have to do kind of like one or the other. And this is the perfect example of why. JennAir on their Rise has taken this brass detail and put it on the knobs, and just that tiny little detail makes it feel so warm and so luxe and perfect for residential. I love the way that JennAir has used this smooth metal and then combined it with this textured metal. If you look inside, I love that you have the pull-out trays. And this is amazing too. This is our little baby oven. We use it a lot for the kids or side dishes. And I always sit on the floor in a leopard dress when I'm cooking. I love this dishwasher. It's really, really, really well designed. So when we have the components for all the cutlery down here, but it also has an additional tray up top. And I think the best part is honestly when it's closed, because it's so quiet that you can't hear it at all when it's on. Moving to my favorite area in the kitchen, this is our wine fridge. What I love about this is, first of all, the way it lights. It's dual temperature controlled, so white's on the top, there you go. And this is for red, which we don't have any of because I drank it. We always panel our fridges and our freezers. I just think they look way better and more integrated this way. Check out the inside. The craftsmanship is second to none. It's unbelievable. I love the way that they've lit around the edge of it. It's so beautiful at night, it glows. And just the glass and the black, it's modern, it's edgy, it's cool, it's super easy to clean. It's funny, like as a designer, you're always thinking of the outside of things, but really with a refrigerator, we're paneling it. So the inside is truthfully what's so important. And I have yet to see a fridge that's this beautiful.